Fleetwood Discovery 36D for sale in South Berwick, Maine 03908. Spread your wings and fly with this 1999 Fleetwood Discovery 36D. This Class A motorhome is 36 feet in length and features a spacious floor plan. Perfect for creating memorable experiences with loved ones and friends. Powered by a strong powered Cummins diesel pusher engine mated with an automatic Allison 6-speed automatic transmission. This RV has 1 slide-outs, 1 awning and offers sleeping accommodations for up to 4 guests. Hit the road with minimal effort because this rig is equipped with captain's chairs, leveling system, backup camera. With only 74,325 miles, you can rest assured that this Fleetwood will be making your traveling dreams come true for many years to come. This 1999 Fleetwood Discovery 36D is ready to become your next home away from home. This luxury unit has been outfitted with exceptional amenities to ensure that you experience top-quality residential living right on the campsite. Highlights of these features include solid surface countertops, 3-burner StoveConvection MicrowaveRefrigerator/FreezerDinette with bench seating, overhead television surround, SoundDVD/CD/StereoSofaChairsShowerToilet SinkWasher/dryer, HookupsMaster, queen-size bed, full-size master closet/DresserPass, Thru StorageFurnace, heat pump, 2 air conditioning units, and so much more. This 1999 Fleetwood Discovery 36D is ready to be your next home away from home. Don't miss out on this incredible opportunity to invest in your happiness. This fully loaded Fleetwood Discovery is priced to sell. Call today for more information on how you can cherish every moment of your RV experiences with this fantastic Class A 1999 Fleetwood Discovery 36D.